Aida with Hardscape.com. Over here at a construction completed by Courchene Builders. My client Lior. Beautiful, beautiful home. They installed 24 by 24 Basalt 3cm with turf inlays. Looks really, really good. I'm just here to see the end products put down by SNS Pavers. And just take a look. Beautiful, beautiful design. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. They have the lights put in. I mean, really classy. Anybody looking for porcelain pavers, 3cm, they can be dry laid on a vehicular application. Absolutely completely slip proof. Zero absorption, doesn't get stained by oil. I mean, it's stunning. Look us up on Hardscape.com, or you can contact me directly, 561-201-0585, for one of our beautiful 3cm products.